Alright guys, so this video is essentially to try to tie together the last two videos. When you're looking at a graph, you can do the vertical line test. For instance, I could look at this and I can go, it's only going to touch once there. It's 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 going to touch once there. Doing the vertical line test, this relation passes. This would show that this is a function. I'm looking at the table and I see 1 has one output. 2 has one output, 3 has one output, 4 has one output, 5 has one output. That's the same thing as doing the vertical line test. Essentially, you're trying to figure out if each input has more than one output. Now, if I go ahead and I add a line to this table, so if I were to add a line to this table and I would say now 5, 0, 5, 0, or 5, 1. Well, now you look at my graph and you see that this last vertical line I drew, I mean, yes, it's a little crooked. Let me see if I could do that better. Oh. This last vertical line is going to cross 1 point, 2 point, 3 points right there. Now it is failing the vertical line test because my vertical line is touching touching 3 different points at the same time. So that is one input of 5 having 3 different outputs. That's what makes a function fail. In order to be a function, each input has to have only one output. So before I added these extra couple of lines, I had a function because it was passing my vertical line test. But now, since I added these extra couple lines in the table, I have an input with multiple outputs and it fails my vertical line test. This is no longer a function.